Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why you cannot directly buy Tether, or USD, on Robinhood. Robinhood Crypto currently offers a curated selection of cryptocurrencies, but USD is not among them. We will explore what digital assets are available on Robinhood and how to purchase them, ensuring you understand the platform's current offerings for your investment needs. To buy supported cryptocurrencies on Robinhood, first ensure your account is funded. You can deposit money via bank transfer or other methods. Once funded, go to the crypto section within the app. Browse the list of available coins, select your desired asset, and then choose to place either a market order for immediate execution or a limit order at a specific price. While Robinhood doesn't offer USD, you can purchase it on many other dedicated cryptocurrency exchanges. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken are well known for their extensive crypto offerings, including Tether. You'll typically need to create an account, complete identity verification, and then fund it to buy USD directly. To summarize, Robinhood is a great platform for many investments, but it does not currently support USD. For Tether, you'll need to explore other dedicated crypto exchanges. Always research and choose a platform that best fits your investment strategy. Remember to check the description below for links to those platforms, as well as other great deals, including those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.